I am happy to welcome you here at the University of Virginia, and we are looking forward to serving you as a department. Our department has numerous services to help the students succeed academically and to thrive in health and in wellness.
Our department houses counseling and psychological services, primary and reproductive health care, assistance with nutrition and substance use disorders, and our Student Disability Access Center.
In addition, Student Health and Wellness has specialty teams and clinics, such as Allergy Clinic, International Travel Clinic, Transgender Services Teams, Eating Disorder Treatment Team, Substance Use Disorder Treatment Team, and Traumatic Brain Injury Team.
Counseling and Psychological Services, also known as CAPS, works from a brief therapy model. We provide individual, group, and couples counseling. In addition, we provide psychological and psychiatric assessment. This includes medication management. In addition, we also have a care manager who can help with referral assistance in the community. CAPS also has a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week crisis service that students can call anytime, day or night. We also provide outreach services in the broader community.
Our medical services include treatment for acute illness and injury, chronic conditions, preventive services, and certain office procedures. We also provide reproductive health care services to all students regardless of gender identity and sexual orientation. Those services include treatment for most reproductive health care problems, testing and treatment for sexually transmitted infections, contraceptive counseling and methods, as well as pregnancy testing and counseling.
The Student Disability Access Center, or SDAC, provides a range of services to students with disabilities, such as ADHD, learning disabilities, psychiatric or mental health conditions, sensory-related disorders, conditions affecting mobility, and even temporary conditions, such as broken bones. Accommodations are individualized and may include exam-related accommodations, assistive technology, alternative course material formats, note-taking assistance, advocacy with deadlines and attendance, ASL to English interpreting, and housing or meal plan accommodations.
The Office of Health Promotion works in partnership with students to help them achieve their optimal levels of health and well-being. The Stall Seat Journal and Green Dot are two programs that you will become familiar with. Students struggling with their substance use can meet with a basics provider as well as attend weekly Who's in Recovery meetings and events. And students can also meet with dietitians for nutrition counseling, as well as our peer health educators to discuss other college health issues such as stress management, birth control options, and healthy eating.
Student Health and Wellness provides a UVA hospital satellite lab and pharmacy for convenience, so be sure to bring your health insurance card with every visit. Visits with providers are free for students who have paid the comprehensive health fee. Student Health and Wellness is open Monday through Friday during the day, but provides an after-hours on-call line for weeknights and weekends.
We welcome you to our website for more information regarding our services, and we look forward to serving you.